Andy from Rapidair, here to introduce our new line of hose reels. We have 3/8 hose sizes and 1/2 inch hose sizes in lengths from 50 feet to 100 foot. Now what's unique about a Rapidair reel is the hose. The hose is a German quality hose, very flexible but yet strong, rated for 300 psi. Just remember, if you buy a cheap hose reel, usually the hose is the cheapest part, and you'll be throwing that away after a month. With the Rapidair hoses, they are awesome quality. The reels are all steel construction. Inlet sizes of 1/2 inch, which makes for good flow rate. Our 1/2 inch reels also have a 1/2 inch on the end of the hose, which allows for good flow rate. So just remember, when buying Rapidair, you get good quality and great value. Thanks for shopping.